Excellency the Governor, the CC Member for Health, the CEO Public Health, CEO Medical Services. We have our esteemed union leaders with us present and the members of the fourth estate. We are happy that we are addressing this press together today. We've had a meeting convened by His Excellency the Governor between the members of the various unions that we have in Meru County because of the go-through that has been there. And I'm happy because the Governor took time very early to convene that meeting. They are going to address us and give you the message. I wish to just take this opportunity to let the members of the fourth estate know the leaders that we have here, because it is a very rare occasion that we have had in Meru County. But I believe it is also charting a way that will be better for this county. I wish to make that introduction, and then we'll get a statement that will be done by several leaders. So, Timothy, just proceed and say your name and what's your position. Then we will come another round now.
Good afternoon, Yuki. I stand for dialogue so that people can meet so that we will resolve this matter.
Okay, thank you. Daktari, just introduction.
My name is Dr. Dennis Mugambi. I'm the branch chairman, KMPDU. That is the Union for Doctors, Upper Eastern Branch. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, members of fourth estate. My name is Marina Moses. I'm the National Trustee of Kenya Union of Clinic Officers and also the branch secretary. I wish to state in a very short once that first of all, I want to thank our governor.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Again, I've seen that I'm the branch secretary of the Kenya Union of Clinic Officers. I wish to say that first of all, I want to appreciate our governor for finding this opportunity to invite us for this round table discussion. And I want to say, as a union, you're always ready for a discussion because our interest is to have services delivered in Meru County and also to have our interest addressed. I wish to say that the governor has expressed his goodwill, issues addressed, and I want to say that because now we have the structures, the legal structures to make the decisions, we have heard the message of the governor, and we have heard him very carefully, and we have listened to him, and we appreciate that he has found that moment. And in due process, we are going to make our statement as the union. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Indeed, Daktari,
Thank you very much. My name is Dr. Dennis Mugambi. One thing I'm going to tell my members is that the public is that doctors are not on strike. The Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union members are not on strike, and we urge them to continue offering services in Meru County. We suspend our strike for the next 14 days to allow dialogue and deliberations. We have met with our governor and his team. We have deliberated a few major issues that are concerning Meru County doctors. We shall be communicating the issues in our groups. So thank you very much. We appreciate it. Let us continue offering services. God bless.
Thank you so much. We invite our governor now.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We had a very fruitful consultation between our county government officials and my deputy governor there, the Minister for Health, Dr. Mutuma, the Chief Officer of Medical Services, Dr. Kiraitu, Chief Officer of Public Health, Dr. Inanga, and our colleagues, Dr. Dennis Mugambi of the Chairman KMPU Meru, and Moses Vayenya, who is the Chairman of the Clinical Officers Union in Meru, because they were accompanied by Dr. Timothy Muriuki, also of KMPDU. We had an apology from Neshit Mugendi of the Nurses Union. As you know, we are going through a very tough time. We are going through a crisis, but a very serious crisis caused by COVID-19. Not only a country crisis, it's a national crisis, and in fact, a global crisis. And I would like to thank our medical personnel and our healthcare workers for being a frontline workers, even for risking their lives to save the lives of the people of Meru and the people of this country during this time of the coronavirus. And so far, I think we have worked very well, and there used to be serious problems here between the county government and our healthcare workers before we came into office. But we said we are going to run an open government, we are going to have consultations, and indeed it is that same spirit that we are having consultations today. Personally, I said I don't want to see people carrying branches and leaves, demonstrations in Meru, because that is evidence that people are not being listened to. But because we want to change the chapter, we want to listen to each other, we want to urge our people not to resort to demonstrations and strikes. Our offices are always open for dialogue, and indeed this is the way that issues can be resolved. We know the health workers have been facing serious problems in their places of work. The working environment has numerous challenges, but we are trying our best to improve the working environment of our people, and especially so that they don't risk their lives and they take care of us, especially during this time of coronavirus. So allow me to thank our doctors, our clinical officers, the nurses, and other health care workers for really being out there in the front line for us. I want to especially thank Dr. Dennis Mugambi and the doctors, because the doctors are not, in Meru are not to strike. They are their places of work. So we appreciate them very much for that. We would like them to continue working. And although they have said within 14 days they will go on strike if the issues are not addressed, we are going to wait for the 14 days to end. We have a final meeting with them on Monday, and we believe that all their issues will be resolved, so they don't have to go on strike. Regarding the clinical officers, we are also discussing their issues. They are not very difficult issues. We believe they are going to be resolved. And some of the challenges arise from the challenges we are facing in getting money released from the national government. As long as that is understood, there's all the goodwill in the county government within that framework to be able to resolve the issues also that are raised by the clinical officers. We understand there's a court order barring the clinical officers and the nurses from going on strike, and that court order is still in force. So we have confirmed that the court orders have been received, and indeed they should be complied with. So from last night we hear some of the nurses and clinical officers are not at work, but not all of them. So we want to urge those who are not at work to return to work by Monday, because all the issues between us and them are being resolved. And we had a very, very good discussion with their leaders here. So we'd like them to come back by Monday. And especially because the court order is still in force. We'll do a check on Monday. We'll send people around our facilities. So for those who will not be at their places of work on Monday, then we are going to take legal action against them and might not be present for them. So there's tomorrow and the weekend. So I'm urging all of them to return to work by Monday. So if they are not there on Monday, then action will be taken against them. And because it will be illegal. In fact, right now it is illegal for them not to be at places of work. We don't intend to take harsh legal action against them unless it is necessary. So my plea to them and to the union officials here, please ask them to come back because we have discussed, we are dealing with their issues, and there is no reason for them not to be at the place of work. Otherwise, I think I want to leave it at that. Yeah, and in Meru, we would plan at the name of the territory health, Mono Yitarira Corona. You can Kanjo, the Taribeto Kalamono, Anasis, now, 20 times we will carry me for health. Not to up Militaria, whatever the Soveto Mono Yitariri. Mono Konachokeria, like Taribeto Kasana, on to Tagatari, but then I'm a woman Yitariri. Now, I end up with a woman, clinical officers and nurses. Abo the 2014, a court Yabakane with a woman. Nankegamba lente yiwa, na igamba rikoti ni karita 15 ya December. Kini nyambere ya igamba rigitwa ni tugirira tukaribitwara dili. Na tongeri ba daktari, na tongeri ba nurses, na tongeri ba clinical officers. Na yaba inachoba utweresa atukubangora the neucho bikagirwa katega kileto twirikare county na bobongwa ekenda twetu patinyire kamoroba with hospital and Spencer na health centers kou itukuromba para tukuwa teguge bashoke ngugini non turi juma tebachoke ngugini Jumatatu atoka tomato agiruke hospitali chetu shio wanakela bachoka ngugini kabatera choka nto kodi ne badiritie kwelo batengugini uroke batengugini Jumatatu baadhi tukalipeka ya sheria ekana bashoka ngugini na kuna ndi nto wana wenyo ya yoyo ngoma na clinical officers tafadhali aliye nabo overe mancheo tu paralizia tu kiganua ko utani to bia kao bedro bate gugini na urote bali ate gugini mana dirikali karo miwo ntu wetaga diato ka ko wetu gato milioni ngitakanga komu ngia wetu tu na kiao kira babangi batu tukurungamana kujenga Meru. Bueno.